All right. Hey, it's been a long time. Broke my ribs about a month ago. Went ahead and bought this chest protector that has some rib protection. It's a Leatt 5.5 Pro, and it has rib protection right here on the side. My ribs are not 100% healed yet, but I came out here to test this out. And then this is CE certified also. Once I open it up, took it off the box, and I don't have an unbox video, but once I took it off the box, I knew I was keeping this one for sure. Not sure if I'm keeping it for motocross, but definitely for off-road enduro type. I do gotta take it easy, man, because these ribs, the doctor told me you don't want to fall and have those ribs puncture a lung. Woo! All right. No, I don't, Doc. No, I don't. Man, this chest slash rib protector really makes you feel protected, man. As far as freedom of movement, great. It's pretty light. It's pretty light. It's pretty light. It's probably as light as the Alpinestar outside the box. I haven't worn the outside the Alpinestar yet, A10, but it's about the same weight of it. But it feels really good on me, man. Putting it on is really easy, man. Really easy. The way that the straps hang down from the shoulder pads, it's like putting on a t-shirt, man. You know, it's really easy. All right, so as far as the Leatt chest protector, this is what I was talking about, the shoulder pads and with the straps. Got the rib protectors right here. It covers, this is where I broke my ribs right here, 4 ribs. It covers all my broken ribs, so definitely I'm keeping this bad boy. This is now this definitely covers all my ribs. Now, would I wear it? I don't like to wear things outside of the jersey, but I'm already a big guy. I feel like I would look pregnant if I wore it inside the jersey, so it looks better outside the jersey, I think, for me.